So let's take a breath for a time of meditation. Just honoring and acknowledging that we have the opportunity to have a practice together. If you knew the hearts that are in this room and in this virtual sanctuary, if the fullness of that realization could come into our hearts right now, they would burst open, overflowing like ocean waves moving onto the sand. There is so much love and power in this room. There is so much positive intention, so much creativity, divine intelligence, so much of the sacred right here. So we use the breath to engage in this mindfulness practice, to bring in the moment of meditation. Just allowing ourselves to relax, let the shoulders down as we focus on the inhale and the exhale. On the next inhale, we draw the crown of the head high, making the spine long. And on the exhale, we just feel ourselves grounded and rooted in the earth. Right here in this sacred moment, we remember there is no place to go to get more God. All Godness is right here. We are in the midst of it. We are swimming in it. It is swimming in us. There is a unity to life. So we allow ourselves to go within to experience that truth. To dip into the living waters so that may fill our being, every fiber, every cell, from center to circumference, from head to toe. So the light within us that may be dimmed by the ordinary experiences of life, that may be dimmed by circumstances and situations around us, among us, within us. That in this moment we may find that flame, that flicker, or that amazing sunshine, and just fan it a bit. Like a beautiful fall camping trip where you're trying to get the fire going. And you see the crackles. And you gently lean in to blow on the flame with gentleness, with intention, and with conviction. That as you attend to that fire, it will grow. It will illuminate the darkness. It will light the way. So right here, right now, we allow the breath of the meditation to illumine our being from the inside out. In the silence. leaning into that sweet space. Leaning into the practice. We bring it with us. We ask that it go before us, above us, below us, around us, paving the path of mindfulness. Grateful for each being of love and light in this spiritual community. We bow to the sacred. And so it is. Namaste.